Hey everyone, my name's Killian and I'm a field manager here at Worksighted. Today, we're going to be talking about passphrases, what they are and why you should be using them. Stay tuned, you're going to want to know more about this. What is a passphrase, you might ask? Well, a passphrase is a sequence of words or other text used to control access to a computer system, program, or data. How is this different from a password? A password as you know it is typically composed of not more than 10 letters or symbols, or a combination of both. It could be like a string of random symbols like this, or just a simple word like your name, or a combination of both. On the other hand, a passphrase is longer than a password, and it contains sequences in between words such as this. Inspiring. So why is a passphrase better than a password? Number one, passphrases are easy to remember than random words and symbols. It would be easier to remember a phrase from your favorite song or your favorite quotation than to remember a short but complicated password. Number two, passwords are relatively easy to guess or crack by both humans and robots. Online criminals have gotten smarter, developing state-of-the-art hacking tools that are designed to crack even the most complicated passwords. Number three, passphrases satisfy complex rules easily. The use of punctuation and upper and lower cases in passphrases also meet the complexity requirements for most passwords. Number four, major operating systems and applications support passphrases. All major operating systems, including Windows, Linux, and Mac, allow passphrases of up to 127 characters long. Hence, you can opt for longer passphrases for maximum security. Number five, passphrases are next to impossible to crack because most of the highly efficient password and cracking tools break down around 10 characters. Hence, even the most advanced cracking tool around won't be able to guess, brute force, or pre-compute these passwords. Using a passphrase instead of a password will ultimately give you some peace of mind when you're going about your business online. To make it easy, we've created our own passphrase generator to help you and your team build stronger password best practices. Visit worksighted.com/passphrase to use the generator or click the link below. That's it for this episode of Tech Riffs. If you want to learn more tips and tricks, be sure to subscribe to Worksighted's YouTube channel and click on the notification button to make sure you don't miss an episode. Thanks, and have a great day.